Hey guys, it's the Outlaw Welder here, back out in the shop for another video. This is part 2 of the trailer hitch with the shackle. Right now I'm getting ready to weld this up. It's going to be TIG welding, just because I got my TIG welder fixed. So, let's do it. I got my machine set pretty high, but I'm going to control it with the foot pedal. Alright, I'm going to weld out the rest and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I got it all welded up and it looks alright, but for, not too welding much, but right there I ran out of gas, so yeah. But right now it is currently dark, and yeah, that's my sister's truck, that's not mine. And I won't be able to paint this tonight, but tomorrow morning we'll paint it when it's cool. And then we'll paint the shackle too, because I got something special for that. I'm probably going to paint this black and then paint the shackle like a fluorescent green, something like really bright and even shines in the dark, so it'll look good. Picked myself up a hitch pin to go in this bottom hole here, and then this pin goes in the top hole. You guys get the idea. So I'll get back to you in the morning. Alrighty, it is morning time out, and we got the hitch receiver, or the hitch there. We got my pin and shackle there. And I'm going to be painting the hitch, the part that goes in the hitch receiver, black, and the pin and the shackle this fluorescent. Alrighty. Okay, so I got them all painted. That's the tube. It's still drying. It's dry to the touch, but it's still not set up. There's the pin and the shackle. One thing I would recommend doing if you were going to build one of these is paint these white first. It'll make it a lot brighter. Looks like I got a spider friend on there. Yeah. Alright. I'll get back to you when they're on the truck. Hey guys. I'm back and it's all painted, and I am absolutely thrilled with the results. The camera probably doesn't do justice, but it looks great in person. Absolutely great. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed this build. And you'll probably be seeing more. Thanks for watching.